meurt et l'âme demeure. Ils sont toujours les plus exposés, les plus audacieux, les plus solitaires. Leur devise: qui ose gagne.
I'm right chip, boss, man. I got this, yeah.
You will not win, cause I will not lose. Can't be touched, can't be stopped, can't be moved, can't be rocked, can't be shook. We hot. When will you niggas move? Came to get crunk, came to bring life, came to get started, came to get right. Turn down the music, turn up my mic. When will you niggas move?
Change le canal là.
You ready?
Bon là.
Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard. Whether it's the beat of the mic, he feels feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even in starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse, this dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard he fucking with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cop. The type women wanna be within rappers, hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, his shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat. He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He often gets a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth that doesn't stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best.
C'est sorti, c'est sorti.
Forget Mike. Nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, Styles of Beyond, Ryu, Top Beer, Machine Shop.
Sister Bessie, don't you say no prayers for me. A slow boat's gonna lead me where I'm bound. I'm far to travel, far across the distant seas. My destiny will lead me where I'm bound. Sister Bessie, don't you say no prayers for me. A slow boat's gonna lead me where I'm bound. I'm far to travel, far across the distant seas. My destiny will lead me where I'm bound.
I came with nothing but thoughts from another planet, a heart that you never break and a dream that you can't imagine. I'm far from average, I doubt that you understand it. I put my pain in the paint and put it on the canvas. Painted a picture so vivid that I envision my life without any limit and try my hardest to live it. I am a dreamer, you see it in my demeanor. I'll be this way to the death and take it up with the Reaper. And through the speaker you hear without a doubt, like I don't question a thing that's coming out of my mouth. Just say the word, I'll tell you what I'm about. They try to get in my head and I'm trying to get out. So it's official, the sign a line and initial. No matter what you get done, they always try and dismiss you. It ain't an issue I ever care to attend to. I'm out of your fucking league, so I don't need to convince you what's up.
lot to travel far across the distant seas. My destiny will lead me where I'm bound. Sister Bessie, don't you say no prayers for me. A slow boat's gonna lead me where I'm bound. I'm a lot to travel far across the distant seas. My destiny will lead me where I'm bound.
These haters lining up, go ahead and try my bluff. They seen them multiply, but ain't dividing us. They hate to see shine, they hate the sight of us. When Zeds sent me the beat, they told me light it up and let the embers glow. I'm in the Amazon, this game changed my approach, I'm like an animal. Success is bound to bring it, they hate the fact you're winning. They jealous of it all, the envy that you live in. That's why I play the villain, just trying to excite the story. Somebody gotta do it, so I ain't saying sorry. Gotta be number one, knew that since I was young. So you can save your pity, cause I ain't fucking done. Now I'm asleep, I only trust the deceased. You try and bring it to me, there's something you better see. I am a beast, it's time that you let it be. I'm taking it to the moon, so I am out of your reach, motherfucker.